Hi everyone, here is a new project what I finished. Part of this project I finished yesterday. So I got a call about repair floor in the bathroom. This floor was installed over the 5/8 plywood. This plywood was glued to the subfloor, concrete subfloor, and toilet was leaked and was damaged whole floor. So when I start removing subfloor and floor, you see there is a lot of mold. To removing this mold, I use grinder. I grind all debris, all mold, everything, and glue. I scrape it with a scraper. Floor was concrete subfloor was very uneven. It sloping to the toilet side and other side was higher. I put foam around the walls and silicone to avoid any leaks. Also, I put foam around the toilet pipe. Then I applied primer for better bonding all subfloor with self-leveling compound. Then we got idea to install here vinyl floor in this bathroom, and then I installed tripods to match the height of this vinyl, and then I pour self-leveling compound. I hope by the Monday it will be dry, and then I will install vinyl floor. This is the idea how to solve this problem with mold. You see how it's easy to match height with tripods. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.